Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to use URP Lighting Box 3 in this sample scene. Open URP Lighting Box 3. Oh, nice. Create a new profile for your current scene. It's not important where that you like. Okay, I want to use PBR rendering. You can use normal mode with your own desired skybox. Everything is on your hand. Good. Now you can use PBR lighting, enable volumetric light, fog, reduce fog, nice, rotate sound. As you can see, everything is very realistic. Okay, we can customize fog, cloud, volumetric clouds. Everything will depend on your taste. Okay. Also, you can enable bloom effect. Everything will depend on your taste. Nice. This is a very realistic lighting. Your clouds are really 3D. As you can see, your clouds are 3D. You can easily customize the settings, height, shape. Everything is so easy by Lighting Box. URP Lighting Box. Nice. Just customize everything that you like to reach to your desired result. Everything will depend on your taste. For example, you can create flat clouds. Everything is so easy. You can increase skybox intensity. or you can use sunset color. Nice. I hope this video was useful to you. As you can see, Lighting Box is very magic. You have a lot of controls on everything. Can increase contrast. Everything is so easy by using the URP Lighting Box. Everything will depend on your taste. Here you can use filmic color grading. Everything looks very realistic and easy to use. I hope this video will be useful to you.